Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Italian dish, chicken parmesan. It's a crispy and cheesy chicken cutlet that's perfect for a hearty dinner. Let's get started. Flatten chicken breasts with a mallet or rolling pin, season with salt and pepper, and dredge in flour. Dip chicken in beaten eggs, then coat with a mixture of breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan cheese. Heat some oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, and cook chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until golden brown and cooked through. Top each chicken cutlet with a spoonful of marinara sauce and some shredded mozzarella cheese. Broil in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, chicken parmesan. It's a delicious and easy recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. You can serve it with some pasta or a side salad for a complete meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one.